In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Home for daily productivity. We'll walk through a simple, repeatable workflow using Google's core apps so you can move from inbox to calendar to documents without losing focus. Start with Gmail. Create labels that mirror the main areas of your work, like clients, finance, content, or urgent. Then set up filters so new messages auto-sort into those labels as they arrive. This keeps your inbox clean without constant manual triage. Star the messages you must act on soon and use canned templates for replies you send repeatedly, such as confirmations or status updates. Instead of deleting, archive messages so they remain searchable without clutter. For an extra safety net, enable undo send and turn on keyboard shortcuts in settings. That 1-2 combo helps you move quickly and fix mistakes before they land. Next, time block your day in Google Calendar. Create separate calendars for work, personal, and content so you can toggle views without mixing everything together. Use clear color coding to spot priorities at a glance. Add recurring tasks for routines you do weekly and set reminders, like a nudge 10 minutes before a meeting or an hour ahead of deep work. Block focus time on your calendar and protect it like an appointment. Treat these blocks as commitments. It's far more effective than managing a long, ever-growing to-do list. Organize your files in Google Drive with main folders such as clients, marketing, admin, and finance. Use a consistent naming style so files sort logically and are easy to find. Share folders rather than individual files whenever possible, and set the right permission level, viewer, commenter, or editor, so collaborators have exactly what they need. If you work with a team, share drives, keep ownership centralized and handoffs smooth. Collaborate in Google Docs by starting from a template for proposals, reports, or standard operating procedures. Switch to suggesting mode to propose edits without overwriting, and use comments to ask questions or assign follow-ups. Add headings to create a structured outline and insert checklists to track progress. This setup is perfect for SOPs, blog drafts, contracts, and meeting notes. Track your data in Google Sheets.